My favorite people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm back, guys. It's been like 7 months or 8, but yeah, I'm finally getting back YouTube on YouTube, hoping that I will not disappear again. But I thank God. Yeah, this is a new kitchen. There's a lot of gist waiting for you guys. You're not ready. You guys are not ready for anything. This is a video just to say I'm back. It's not a vlog. It's just revamping myself, revamping my YouTube channel, if it's making sense. Anyway, thank you so much. Welcome back again. Welcome me back again, if it's making sense, that is. Yeah, so let's just do a few things, then a lot of things are aligned for you guys.
Every time you lie, don't even wanna try. Baby, tell me why you gotta lie? Every time you lie, don't even wanna try. Baby, tell me why you gotta lie to me? Baby, it's our time. All we do is fight. Maybe we should call it. I'm just being honest. Baby, it's our time. All we do is fight. Maybe we should call it what it is. Really thought you changed my mind. about love and all the things we had. We're up, we're down, but we're never giving up. A girl's on the way, ain't find me. I will do the same for you, trust me. That you love me is a power. Stay here 24 hours, baby. Think about me. And I give you everything you wanted. I'm still in love with all your perfect body, and I can still love. I'm still in love with all your perfect body, and I can still love. I'm still in love. I'm always thinking about love and all the things we had. We're up, we're down, but we're never giving up. A girl's on the way, ain't find me. I will do the same for you, trust me. They love me as a power. Stay here 24 hours, baby.
So thank you so much, guys, for watching that. Kindly subscribe, like, share. That is it for this video. Yes, that was just to introduce that I'm back. Yeah, I left another line for you guys, and stay tuned. Stay tuned. I love you so much, guys. Bye.